An infinitely long wire lays along the positive y-axis. It carries a current of 6 amps. Using Ampere's law, determine the magnetic field at a point that is 8 meters to the right of the wire. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to begin by drawing this out. So wire over here. Going positive y-axis, it carries a current of 6 amps. Determine the magnetic field at a point that is 8 meters to the right. So let's draw this point. You have 8 meters here, which means the magnetic field is going to follow the path of a circle like this. This is a vector for the magnetic field, okay? This represents magnetic field. So Ampere's law states that the integral of the magnetic field times the length element, so whatever is inside here, is going to be equal the mu naught permeability of space times the current, okay? So right here, magnetic field, ds is the length element, which aka the path taken here. Mu naught is the permeability of free space, permeability of free space, and I is just the current. Okay, next thing you know is Ampere means that Ampere's law states that B is constant. With that, we can take B out of the integral and find the integral of the length element, which equals to mu naught times I. The integral of this, the area of this inside of the length element, is just going to be whatever is this, which means that it's going to be the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So equals mu naught times I. We know that, okay, what is r? An infinitely long wire lays along the positive y-axis. The magnetic field at a point that is 8 meters to the right. Therefore, r is going to be 8 because if the magnetic field follows a circular path, it means that it's going to, here would be 8, here would be 8. The circumference would be 8 plus 8, which is 16, but radius would be 8, okay? Equals mu naught times I, which it says here the current is 6, so you have that. Now, simplify this, you get B times 16 pi is equal to mu naught times 6. You want to solve for B, which you can divide 16 pi on both sides, so you get B is equal to, well, let's write it here first. B is equal to 6 over 16 mu naught, 6 over 16 pi mu naught, okay? Which 6 over 16 pi is the same thing as 0.11. So 0.119, so let's say it's 0.12 pi. Well, pi is already here, so 0.12 mu naught. And the units will be in Tesla, so this is your answer.